After what had happened inside the kitchen, Mrs. John took Jungkook out and they went to office as they had an important meeting. Not even once Jungkook came back inside the kitchen to see wine. She was here standing in shock that once again her husband didn't even listen to her. He raised his hand. Vine looked at the maid who was giving her sympathetic look. Vine wiped her tears, which were coming out silently. She handled herself and decided to do what she had already thought yesterday night. She knew it's now or never. Keeping his head on the chair, he was resting in it while looking at ceiling. He was lost in his thoughts. I don't know what is happening in my house, what Vine is trying to do. Everything was going all right, but suddenly her behavior has changed. But now with me, but with my mom. She cared for me. I can see in her eyes that she loved me a lot. But what's with this behavior with my mom? After what she did today, I couldn't hold myself. I knew I did wrong to slap her, but I couldn't. I have to talk to her. Junko continued his work and decided to go home before the time so that he can talk to Anne. But little did he knew from now on in his world was about to get up and down. Jungkook and Mrs. John both entered inside the living room. They sat on the couch. All the way Mrs. John was only complaining about wine to Jungkook. Maid came with a glass of water. Usually wine bring water for Jungkook, but today she didn't came. Jungkook was looking for her. Where's wine? Maid sir, we haven't seen her from morning. Jungkook frowned and said, what do you mean? Maid didn't say anything and looked down nervously. Mrs. John, as usual, she must be inside her room resting. That's what she do all the day. Jungkook excused himself and went towards the room to see Wine, as he had decided to talk to her today and make things clear. Deep down, he was hurt that he had raised his hand on her. Coming inside the room, his eyes scanned the whole room, but there was no one. It was empty. He thought that maybe she was inside the washroom, so he went there, but there was no one. His attention went on the wardrobe, and he saw that Wine's stuff was not there anymore. Jungkook, till now, you must have come to know that I left the place. At first, I didn't wanted to write it, but then I couldn't hold myself, so here I'm saying it now. I never wanted a toxic relation like this. From myself, I wanted a family, a happy family where there must be trust, faith. You never listen to me, you don't spend time with me. You are always busy, and whenever you got time, your mom took you away from me. And that's what she is doing from the start. She is only using you for your money, but you don't have to trust me just like you didn't till yet. But let the time come. You will get to know everything and you will know what you lost. I will never forget what you did and how your mother treated me. Please don't look for me. I will send divorce papers soon. Jungkook came inside the living room and told his mother everything, but he was shocked by her reaction. Well, I know she will do something like that, Jungkook. Don't go after her. She is thinking high of herself, but I will find a better girl than her. Jungkook looked at her mother shocked. Mom, what? How can you say this? You know how much happy I was with one. And now when I'm not seeing her around, it's making me tensed up. And here you are saying all this. Mrs. John, look what she did has done to you that you are arguing with me now. Mrs. John couldn't take his Jungkook was liking wine and now she was feeling relieved that wine left from here. Jungkook, I will trace her location and tomorrow I will get her back here, saying that he went from there, leaving Mrs. John, who was burning in rage. On the other hand, Wine came inside her apartment. She asked her friend for a place and her friend allowed her to stay here. She can't go back to her house because Jungkook knows the address. I did try, didn't I? I didn't had another choice. I had to stand for myself so that I can live my life happily. But how he is suppressed under his mother has made our relationship like that, and it's time for him to come out of his dream world and see the reality. It's been 3 days and you are repeating again and again that you didn't find her. I'm giving you last year else I will blow up your head with my hands. Jungkook, who was fuming in anger, sat on the couch and brushed his face with his hand, but soon his attention went on his mother. Jungkook signed his card to leave and said, "Yesterday the contractor told me that you took 1 billion on my name. Is it true?" Mrs. John's face colored were changed. She laughed nervously and said, "Yeah, it's just I needed some amount." "For what purpose?" Mrs. John frowned and said, "Are you questioning me from now, Jungkook? Look what that wine made you that you are asking me all that." Jungkook, where did wine came in the middle now? I'm simply asking about the money. Jungkook started working out and Mrs. Young glared at his back, making a fist. She never wanted Wine back because she knew that in just a month Wine had a huge impact on Jungkook. Coming outside the house, Jungkook was going towards his car to go and get Wine back, but as he was about to get inside, he was stopped by Headmate. "Not now, I'm in hurry," saying that he turned around to get inside, but it's about Wine, ma'am. Jungkook stopped and looked at her and said in his cold voice, "What is it about Wine?" Jungkook saw that Maid was nervous and most probably tensed up about something. "Say it." Maid looked at him and decided to speak. "I want to tell you something. If I didn't, I wouldn't be able to forgive myself." Jungkook phoned but decided to listen to her. "Wine ma'am is innocent. That day she didn't push your map." And then Hadmit told every single thing to Jungkook that happened, that day incident and that food. Jungkook was still standing the same, but his face was all red and veins were popping out of his hand. "Do you have an idea what you are saying? You are saying that it was all done by mom?" Maid looked down Jungkook. "I have to go now, but when I will come, I will see everything." Jungkook took a last glance at the maid and went inside his car and drove off towards Wan's place. Maid looked at him going away. She was guilty for not stating the fact before, but now she knew she had to do this. Van was thinking about Jungkook. After all, 3 days were past and she was here. She didn't eat properly. Her nights were sleepless. It was a hectic situation for her. After all, it was about her married life. She had taken a chance or didn't know what was going inside her mind. Van heard a doorbell. She frowned because no one here knew about her and she wasn't expecting anyone also. Again, the doorbell rang and she stood up and opened the door, and there she was, her husband. Vine's face became cold. He put his hand inside his jeans pocket and started taking slow steps towards her, and was going back. Just as he stepped inside, he turned around and closed the door, making Vine come back in her sense. Jungkook turned around and she gulped. How are you? Vine, what are you doing here? Vine ignored him and he decided the same. Are you enjoying here without me? Vine, why are you here? Jeon Jungkook. Jungkook looked at her and smiled. Such an ironic of you to take my name like that, Vine. Don't do that again, cause I won't be able to hold myself. Jungkook saw there was no change in her expression. She was trying her best to hide, but he knew she must be blushing inside. He chuckled and took a step forward. Jungkook forwarded his hand towards Vine in order to hold it. Vine looked at his hand and then at him. Come, let's go home. But Vine didn't budge from her place, and Jungkook was still holding his hand from like in front of her. Jungkook, Vine, let's go. This time he said more calmly. And said coldly, no, Jungkook, if you have come here to take me back, then you're wasting your time. It's better you should leave and focus on your work or on your mother's order. You forgot I'm a mafia. Jungkook smiled a little, idiotic of her that she thought he wouldn't be able to find her. Vine avoided the eye contact. Vine, I think you should leave. It's enough now. Jungkook tried to come closer, but she stepped back, making him stop. Jungkook, you know, if I want, I can take you from here by many ways, but I want you to come with me on your own. Vine, and I'm saying that you will go from here just like you came alone. Leave from here, Jungkook. I told you not to look for me, didn't I? Jungkook, Vine. No, Jungkook, not anymore. I have taken a decision only to listen to myself. I don't want to be a puppet of your mother. I don't want to feel that pain which I felt before. I'm not coming back. Jungkook, leave from here. Tears were coming out, but her expression were saying the same. Jungkook, your care which you showed me your worries when I was on the mission, and all night you woke up for me. Everything I missed a lot. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Van looked in his eyes and saw that he was sincerely apologizing, but still she knew there was something more. Van took a step forward and said, you are regretting for what you did, Jungkook. You are regretting about that slap. But what about that pain which I received from your mother? What about that pain which I received from you when you didn't listen to me? You didn't trust me. Vine went towards the door and shut it with a thud and broke down in tears. She let out her emotions. She stood up strong in front of him. But that poor girl was in love with him. It wasn't easy to let him go like that, but she knew she had to stand up for herself. Coming back to his home, he looked at his house. He left it to come here again with Vine, but he is alone standing here having lots of emotions in his eyes. He was confused between his mother and his wife, his mother's love and his wife's love. Both were important for him, but he was unable to see the truth. Mrs. John was sitting on the couch talking to her friend on the call. He seemed like before, obedient to me. His wife left the house. She was screaming on her lungs, telling him about me, but he didn't listen to her and slapped her, showing her place. I'll find another woman for him, and this time I will find a pathetic one who will listen to me like her master. I won't let anyone take Jungkook away from me. He will listen to my lies like before and will trust my every wrong statement blindly. She was talking on call, ignoring her surrounding, but then her attention went on the entrance. On the other hand, Van was sitting her room bedsheet, lost in her thoughts. Her eyes were red from crying. She heard the doorbell. She phoned at who it could be. Her attention went on Jungkook, but he had already left. Then who it can be? What was about to happen next in both sides? Did Jungkook hear his mother talk or he didn't? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.